Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to take your life to the next level, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 5 habits that can transform your mindset and set you on the path to financial success. Let's jump right in. Habit number 1, prioritize learning. Millionaires are constant learners. Whether it's through books, podcasts, or mentorship, they never stop growing. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. So if you want to level up, make time for daily education. Habit number 2, consistent discipline. Millionaires aren't lucky, they're disciplined. They stick to routines, manage their time effectively, and stay focused on long-term goals. So start by creating habits that push you closer to your dreams every day. Habit number 3, embrace failure. Now, this one might sound counterintuitive, but trust me, failure is a teacher. Millionaires view setbacks as learning opportunities. They fail fast, learn faster, and keep moving forward. So don't fear failure. Learn from it. Habit number 4, build multiple income streams. Millionaires don't rely on a single paycheck. They create income through various channels: investments, side businesses, real estate, and more. Diversify your revenue and watch your wealth grow. Habit number 5, master your mindset. And finally, master your mindset. Wealth starts in the mind. Millionaires are incredibly intentional about their thoughts, focusing on abundance rather than scarcity. Cultivate a mindset that attracts success, and watch how it transforms your reality. Start practicing these habits today, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. Remember, it's not about luck. It's about mindset, discipline, and action. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little financial motivation. See you next time, and keep thriving.